Hello and welcome to a Sunday afternoon of women's basketball with the Ball State Cardinals. Today, Ball State will try to do something they haven't done in 9 years, and that is beat the Butler Bulldogs.
The emergence of Renee Bennett and Moriah Monaco helping Fontaine on the boards. They've been better this year, but it's very important tonight against a good Butler rebounding team.
Box to the right is Bennett. Turns, shoots 14 and swishes it in. Butler runs. Buck catch and shoot three in transition. Rattles in.
You can never leave Sydney Buck in transition. That's got to be the first person you find if you're the Ball State defense.
Frazier drives in, spins to the cup. Rebound to Fontaine, and she banks it in at the buzzer. Morrison running in transition, drops for Monaco, stops on the end line, turns back around and lays it in. Ball State's out by 6 with 3 to go. Swinging around, Monaco dialing the 3 left wing, and Monaco hit it to put the Cardinals on top by 6. Ball State has knocked off Butler for the first time in 9 years, 58-50. Ball State over the Bulldogs.